Everything you just saw was created using simple instructions. The AI agent from Hedra handled the rest. The workflow I'm about to show you today can completely transform the way you create content, making it faster, smoother, and far more efficient. Before this, creating a video meant writing a script using ChatGPT or another tool, then creating image prompts, then going to a different platform to generate images. If the image didn't turn out great, you had to go back to ChatGPT to tweak the prompt, adjust it again and again, and then regenerate the image. And I'm not even talking about video generation. That's a whole different pain on its own. It was slow, repetitive, and honestly exhausting. But with Hedra's new agent feature, everything happens in one place. You can give simple instructions, make changes instantly, adjust images, videos, or prompts, all inside a single workflow. And that's what makes this so powerful. So without wasting any more time, let's dive into it. All right, to get started, click the link in the description and sign up using your email. Once you log in, you'll see this interface. If you scroll down, you'll notice several options for generating images and videos along with preset templates. But today we're focusing on the agents feature because this is where things get really interesting. Let's start by giving it a simple instruction. I asked it to create a scene sequence showcasing the peaceful life of a small anime village. Now, in the reference section, you can upload specific characters or style references if you want the agent to follow a particular look. For now, I'll leave it empty and click Generate. Now it will start analyzing everything and drafting the ideas for you. As you can see, it has already started the image generation process and created the image prompt for the first scene. If you click on Approve, it will start generating the image. But I don't want that. First, I want it to create the scene draft, and once I approve it, then I want it to start creating the images. So I'll write this instruction asking it to create the sequence first and hit enter. Once I send that instruction, it adjusts its process and starts building the scene outline first. And as you can see, it creates a structured sequence, each scene offering a different perspective of the village. Now let's refine it further. I asked it to swap one of the scenes with a top view shot of a girl resting under a tree and another shot of a puppy resting on a porch. After that, hit generate and let the AI do its magic. And here it is. It has updated the sequence exactly as requested. This is where the agent workflow becomes powerful. You're not just generating content, you're directing it. Okay, I'm happy with the scene sequence. Now let's generate the images. I'm going to give it a simple command to generate the first image. And as you can see, it's drafting the image edited prompt automatically based on the scene. Look at this. It's already created a full detailed prompt. If I want, I can tweak it here or add extra instructions. From here, I can choose the image model. It literally has all of them. And I'm going with Nano Banana 2. Let's approve this and see what it generates. And here it is. That looks really clean, soft lighting, peaceful mood. And it generated pretty fast too. Now let's try something. I'm going to tell it, turn this into a nighttime shot. Watch what happens. It's automatically using the current image as input and adjusting the prompt for night lighting. I'll approve this, and here's the result. Same composition, now transformed into night. That's really smooth. This is the advantage of using an agent. I don't leave the platform, I just give instructions. Now let's turn this into a video. I'll type the command. It's analyzing the image and drafting the motion prompt automatically. From here, I can choose the video model. I'm going with Grok, good results, and fewer credits. Let's approve it. And here's the output. The motion is smooth. The pacing looks natural. It actually feels like an anime sequence. From here, you just repeat this process for the rest of the scenes. Then I'll assemble everything inside CapCut, adjust pacing slightly, add a cinematic filter, and that's it. All right, let's create something fun. I'm starting a new chat. Now let's create an image of Elon Musk giving an interview. I'll send the command and let it analyze it. And here's the image prompt it created automatically. I'll click approve and let it generate the image. And here's the output. Look at that. The realism is impressive. The lighting, the background, the facial detail, it feels very natural. Now let's experiment a little. I'm going to modify him and make him older. I'll send the new instruction. As you can see, it's automatically using the previous image as input and adjusting the prompt. I'll approve it. And here's the result. That's actually hilarious. But notice something important. The setting, the composition, and the overall style remained consistent. Only the subject changed. That's crucial for maintaining continuity. Now let's take it further. I want to turn this into a video and make him say something. I'll give it a simple instruction describing what I want him to say. It automatically drafts the video prompt and integrates the dialogue into it. I'll approve it. And here's the output.
We will take humans to Mars as early as 2077.
The motion looks smooth, and the lip sync is surprisingly convincing. And that's the point I wanted to show you. You're not writing complex prompts. You're not switching between 5 tools. You're just giving simple, natural instructions. And the AI agent handles the heavy lifting. That's the power of this workflow. Now go experiment with it yourself and see what you can create. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.